Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. We have a quick little home tour of our temporary living situation. If you've been with us, then you know we are recovering from this water damage in our home. So we're going to do a quick little home tour real quick with me and my husband and my youngest. And y'all just enjoy.
Oh my God, you gon' make me, you're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage, so let me get out the way. Cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes. And I just be stuck in the daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing. Then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it. And I can't commit my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets. And if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing. And your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus.
Atonement for my sin cleanses deep within, and I know that you forgive all unrighteousness. And it makes no sense to me why you died for your enemies. Now I live, so draw me close. Darkness loses its hold on me, so draw me close. Darkness loses its hold on me. Highs and lows, Lord, you're with me either way it goes. Should I rise or should I fall? Yeah. Even so, Lord, your mercy is an even flow. Should I rise or should I fall? Lord, you're faithful through it all. Jesus, you're faithful. You're too good to let me go. We ourselves grown inwardly, as eagerly we await to be adopted as God's children, redeemed. And by this hope we have been saved. But who can praise God from the grave?
Okay, y'all, so this is all the cleaning for this video. I'll give y'all one little last look at what we started with, because I've actually changed it a little tiny bit more. But I do have to finish putting this rug in this bathroom. And after that, we have Kyron's room. And yeah, I called him. What you doing, Kyron? Yeah. But he decided how he was gonna set up his room. We didn't personalize it a whole lot because this is temporary. This bedroom we didn't even finish because the middle girl, she is with her friend. So that's it for now, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see y'all soon. Alrighty, thank you. Bye.